Let's go ahead and go outside and see what's going on right now, and then we'll see what's happening up in the skies other than UFOs. Rain, almost just as unusual here in this part of the state for most of the year. Flash flood watches in effect, kicking in at 2 and running through the evening for the Boot Heel and down towards El Paso and also Las Cruces. And then you see the showers and the thunderstorms that are moving on up. Now, we had the batch that came through earlier in the morning and overnight. It produced about 2/10 of an inch or so, much needed precipitation. Of course, it's not the weekend that everybody would like to have some rain here, but you take it when you can get it at this point. And since we get so little, and since we get about 55 to 60% of our annual rainfall during this time, during these monsoon seasons. A few scattered showers still showing up here and there in the metro. The heavier action is actually down south from TRC, Silver City, back to the west of Socorro, and between there and Carrizozo. Also, there's been a pretty good pocket of storms that have started to pop here within the last couple of hours between Ruidoso and Roswell. Now, if we go a little further to the east, the storms have kind of moved off from Espanola and Santa Fe and are now working their way along the northeast quadrant all the way from Raton down towards Las Vegas. So we're at 70 now, and of course we've got the clouds that are kind of hanging in and out. 76% on the relative humidity. The dew points are in the low 60s, so plenty of moisture to help kick off those storms. Now 60s and 70s from Santa Fe to Albuquerque, 81 right now in Farmington. The hottest temperatures are actually off to the east, northeast, and southeast, from Roswell to Carlsbad to Hobbs to Clayton, all are reporting 90 degrees at this point. So the forecast for the rest of the day, I do think we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms redeveloping as we go through the afternoon. We get a little bit of heating going, and I think we'll see some action, and east of the mountains as well. 86 for the high, partly sunny, and those scattered showers and storms around. Tonight, 64 to 67 from the valley to the heights. We could still see some overnight showers, although it should become more isolated. And then tomorrow, the storms are going to be more widely scattered for the 4th of July. There's going to be some thunderstorms around, too. It's not going to be a train of moisture coming up like it was this morning, but it is going to be hitting and missing because we still have plenty of moisture available to help kick those storms. And if you look, you can see that area of moisture just slowly moving in towards us. Remember, yesterday it was sitting back in here, and we talked about the fact that that high sitting off to the east was going to kind of reposition itself. So what does that mean for the 4th of July? Well, pick out the quadrant that you live in, and you're watching mid-90s in the northwest, low 80s in the northeast. Best chances for showers and storms are going to be across the front ranges of the mountains in the northeast quadrant and all the way down coming out of the canyon eastbound. And then hit and miss showers in the southeast where they're having the UFO festival. In the southwest, we're going to see some scattered showers. In the metro, if you're planning on taking in one of those big fireworks displays tomorrow evening, looks like some mid-70s and a few scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Hopefully, it would have to rain right over that spot to cause some problems. So you should be okay. Okay, here's your temperatures. Santa Fe, looking at some 80s all the way into the weekend, and for the metro area, 80s to near 90 degrees for today, for the 4th of July, and then for Sunday as well.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mike.
Okay.